Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign into Revit step by step. Signing in with your Autodesk account lets you activate your license, access cloud services, synchronize your projects, and use all the features available with your subscription or educational account. So let's get started. First, launch Revit on your Windows computer. If you're opening the application for the first time after installation, you'll usually see a prompt asking you to sign in with your Autodesk account. If not, click the Sign In option in the upper right corner of the Revit window. Next, enter the email address associated with your Autodesk account and click Next. On the following screen, type your password and click Sign In to continue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete the verification process using your preferred method. Once you've signed in successfully, Revit will verify your license and activate the software automatically if you have an eligible subscription, educational license, or trial. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. After activation is complete, your Autodesk account name should appear in the top right corner of the application. You can now create new projects, open existing files, access cloud-based features, and use other Autodesk services connected to your account. If you experience sign-in issues, double-check your email address and password, verify that your internet connection is working, and make sure your Autodesk subscription or license is still active. And that's it. You now know how to sign in to Revit using your Autodesk account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next